Hello everyone. The complete Linux administration part, the second something like the video, second video is something like related to download syllabus. How you can download the syllabus? You can download the syllabus by using. You can click this link and so it will open the GitHub link. So I will show you guys. So if you click here. Yep, guys. So you will get the complete details if you click here. So it will open this one, guys. The complete Linux training syllabus. So will be here. So you guys can watch watch this module one, module two. So whatever we discussed in the previous class, right? So we will cover all these in the syllabus. So if you want to download the syllabus, you guys can use this URL to download the link, guys. And that so what you will learn in this course, by the end of this course, you will be a professional Linux administrator and able to apply for the Linux jobs. You will learn 300 plus Linux system administration commands, and you will gain advanced Linux system administration skills and have a deep understanding of the Linux fundamentals and concepts also. You will manage Linux servers in a corporate environment or like production, dev, QA, staging, UAT environment, pre-prod environment. Understand the concepts of permissions and how to set them of files and directories. This course will prepare you for a complete AI Linux and LPA Linux essential also. So what we will gonna cover you on this Linux part, CentOS stream and Red Hat version 7, 8, 9. You will be able to troubleshoot every Linux related issues if you watch all these recordings. You will write a basic to the advanced level scriptings also. We will discuss in this course the basic to advanced level scripting also, and we will discuss about the something like administration as well as the engineer also. So advanced and basic, we will discuss in this course the basic Linux and the advanced Linux also. So what are the requirements to learn? What are the requirements to learn this course? This course covers everything about the Linux from scratch. No prior experience required. Desire to reach your goals and dreams. A computer with at least 8 GB of RAM, and so a and a virtual mission, something like a VMware virtual mission. So Oracle virtual mission installed on your Windows mission, and then you can download the ISO file of the CentOS 7 or whatever it may be. I will provide in the description, guys. So these are the requirements and the what you will learn and the syllabus of the disk. So before we discussed about the syllabus overview, right? Now we discussed about the download syllabus. What you will learn, what are the requirements to learn the Linux. Thank you so much, guys. So we will see it in the next lecture.